In this demonstration, we're going to explore line and color. We're going to use lines in order to do a drawing and make a fennel box. We're going to use color for our line drawing. Now there's two parts to this assignment. One is to use either a primary color or a secondary color. And I have chosen here the colors red, blue, and yellow. And I'm going to, using an 8.5 by 8.5 piece of paper, going to use line as a means to explore the idea of a point. Now the first thing that I'll need to do is I got to cut the paper to 8.5 by 8.5 because I've already drawn out where that line is, because we only want a square piece of paper. That's where how we're going to do our drawing. Now, lines are just an extension of a point, so we can use and create lines that are static. So perhaps I want to just use a straight line, another static line. All right. I want to add some yellow. So maybe in this one I'm going to make a very active type of line. It's going to be curved. And I'll make a diagonal line which is much more active. Remember, you need to include 3 colors, so we also have to incorporate red. So on this one, I'm just going to use little lines. There we go, and just create many little lines. I can make thick lines by coloring it in. I can make a thick yellow line by also coloring that in. I can outline. What you want to do, though, is you want to fill the entire page, the 8.5 by 8.5 piece of paper. And let me make some red lines here. And I'll fill in this space. So it's from this piece of paper that I'm going to make a fennel box. So the assignment to make a fennel box from the drawing that we've just done, there's another video on how to make a fennel box that you'll need to watch. But to reiterate the assignment, you're going to use line to create a drawing, and it can be, active lines, aggressive lines, static lines, lines that express emotion, and that the colors that you're going to use are going to be either primary colors or secondary colors. Remember, don't combine primary and secondary. You have to make a choice, one or the other. And watch the other podcast on how to make a fennel box.